Hello students, I am Professor G.N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirajwa. In this lecture, we are going to say about meiosis. Firstly, we will say definition of meiosis. It is a form of cell division by which gametes with half the number of chromosomes are produced. That is, haploids are produced from diploid. Meiosis is a sexual reproduction. In meiosis, there are two divisions, that is meiosis first and meiosis second. Fertilization, the fusion of sperm and egg to form a zygote, is called as fertilization. A zygote is a fertilized egg. In this diagram, you can see that sperm and egg fuse to form zygote. Now we will see meiosis. Sex cells divide to produce gametes, that is sperm or eggs. Gametes have half the meiosis occurs only in gonads, that is testes or ovaries. Male spermatogenesis and female oogenesis. Meiosis is similar to mitosis with some chromosomal differences. Now we will see about spermatogenesis. That is, human sex cell is diploid. 2n is equal to 46. During meiosis, haploids are produced, and during meiosis second, 4 haploid cells are produced. These are the photographs of mouse testes during meiosis. First is parent cell, then first division, then second division, and 4 gametes are produced. Then next page is interphase first. Similar to mitosis interphase, chromosomes replicates. Each duplicated chromosomes consists of 2 identical sister chromatids attached at their centromeres. Centriole pairs also replicate. Interphase first. Nucleus and nucleolus feasible. In this diagram, we can see how cell react during interphase. Then meiosis first. It consists of 4 phases. Cell division that reduces the chromosome number by 1/2. There are 4 phases. First one is prophase first, then metaphase first, anaphase first, telophase first. Now we will see about prophase first. It is longest and most complex phase. Chromosomes condense. Synapsis occurs, that is, homologous chromosomes come together to form a tetrad. Tetrad is 2 chromosomes or 4 chromatids, that is, sister and non-sister chromatids. In this diagram, you can see how synapses occur. These are the homologous chromosomes and these are sister chromatids. Then crossing over. Crossing over or variation may occur between non-sister chromatids at the chiasmata. Crossing over, segments of non-sister chromatids break and reattach to the other chromatid. Chiasmata, that is chiasma, are the sites of crossing over. Crossing over is nothing but variation. These are the non-sister chromatids, and the site of crossing over you can see in this diagram, and tetrad is formed. Sex chromosomes. In first photograph, you can see XX chromosomes, that is of female, and in second photograph you can see XY chromosome, that is of male. Then next page is prophase first. Then metaphase first. Shortest phase. Metaphase is shortest phase. Tetrads align on the metaphase plate. Independent assortment occurs. That is orientation of homologous pair to poles is random. Then variation formalized to raised to n. You can see diagram of metaphase first, and this is metaphase plate. Then next page is anaphase first. Homologous chromosomes separate and move towards the poles. Sister chromatids remain attached at their centromeres. This is diagram of anaphase first. Then telophase first. Each pole now has haploid set of chromosomes. Cytokinesis occurs and two haploid daughter cells are formed. This is diagram of telophase first. Now we will see about meiosis second. No interphase second, or very short, no more DNA replication during meiosis second. Remember, meiosis second is similar to mitosis. Prophase second, same as prophase in mitosis. This is diagram of prophase second. Metaphase second, same as metaphase in mitosis. This is diagram of metaphase second. You can see metaphase plate arranged at equatorial plate. Then anaphase second, same as anaphase in mitosis. Sister chromatids separate. Telophase second, same as telophase in mitosis. Nuclei form. Cytokinesis occurs. 4 haploid daughter cells produce. Gametes are sperms or eggs. This is diagram of telophase second. As we have seen earlier, this is diploid cell, that is sex cell. During meiosis first, 2 haploid cells are produced, and during meiosis second, 4 haploid cells are produced. As we know that fertilization is the fusion of sperm and egg to form a zygote. A zygote is a fertilized egg. And this is all about meiosis. Thank you.